Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple images into a single PDF. So first, you need to open a web browser on your computer. Then click on this icon right here in the top, which is indicating Google Apps. From this page, you need to go to Google Document, scroll down, and you'll get the Docs option, which is between Sheets and Slides. Go ahead and select it. This will take you to docs.google.com. Now select a blank document. Here you can add your images. Simply click and hold and select the images and then drag them. So let's open the File Explorer. Select the images and drag it here. Or you can also copy or paste it. If you want the images to be full size, that's fine. However, you can also click on the image and then click on the image options in the top. Select text wrapping, then choose wrap text option. This will allow you to resize the images using the corner points and move them around. Repeat this process for each image by adjusting its image options. And after you're done, go to the top left and click on File. From the drop-down menu, you need to hover over to the download option, which is below the email option. Go ahead and select it. Now from the menu that appears, go ahead and select PDF document. Rename your document and click on Save. You have now successfully combined your photos into one PDF and you can do whatever you like with it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.